Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select connected devices, then select quick share, the first option. Okay, here you can see there is an option of phone name, that means your device name. You can click that and you can change this device name, then it will be available on your Bluetooth name, your everywhere your device name is showing, always that like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi direct, and all names have changed to this name. So if you change here, it will be applied on multiple levels of names on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi direct, and any other places it's showing that. So you can simply change your name from here, and also you can change name from about section your phone and many more places. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply change your device name to your name. Okay, that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.